Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Princess Belle in Dress and Press without VIP. Okay, this is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. First of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and you can color it with this color, and for the toggle you're going to change the toggle to back and remove all the flowers and combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and you're going to adjust it like this. Just adjust the position. Okay, and then you're going to add this hairstyle, choose only bangs and color it with the same color, and then you're going to put on this item and you're going to adjust it like this. Okay, and then you're going to put on this earring, make it this color, and this heel, make it this color. Alright, and then the next one, I'm going to go to the changing room. From here, I'm going to choose this skirt. Okay, and for this skirt, we're going to color it with this color for the first selection until the third selection. Oops, sorry, for the third selection, you're going to make it this color. And then you're going to change the material to glitter. Okay, done. And then I'm going to go to this area. And I'm going to put on this granny dress. And choose top only, and then you're going to color it with the same yellow color we have applied before. Okay, and for the material you're going to make it glitter. Okay, and I'm going to put on this gloves. For the gloves you're going to remove the fur and then apply this yellow color and then make it glitter. Okay, the next one, you're going to go to the world culture clothing area, put on the skirt, make it glitter for the first selection, and then make it this color. Alright, and then I'm going to combine it with this dress. For this dress, you're going to choose only skirt and apply this color for the first selection until the second selection. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Princess Belle in Dress and Press without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!